Alright guys, so this video is to show you a demonstration of how you can onboard your learning platform. So you would have received a message from Knowledge Money University, a message, your email that is going to look something like this. So what you have to do is to go ahead and open that email, and the moment you open that email, you're going to see a message like this, and you're going to see this particular link here. Okay, now with the demonstration on this image here, you can see that you need to click on the forgotten password. Anyway, let me just show you the process. So go ahead and click on that access my account. The moment you click on access my account, it will load up and bring you to this page. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this particular login button here. Click on that login button. The moment you click, it's going to open. Then I'm going to enter my email now. Just follow this process. Now that you have entered your email, the next thing you need to do is to click on forgotten password, just like it was demonstrated on the image. This is forgotten password here. Okay, that's it here, forgotten password. Click on that forgotten password and it's going to take you to this page. Now what you have to do here now is to enter your email, the email address with which you registered when you were making payment. Okay, so I'm going to enter my own email here now, and once I enter my email, I'll click on recover my account. Okay, now an email have been sent to your email inbox. Okay, but the problem now is that the moment you leave this page to go get that email, this page will close. This page where you're supposed to enter your verification code, it's going to close. Let me show you what I'm saying. If I click on this very arrow here, this arrow button here to go back, if I click on it to go back, let me show you. Look at what I'm saying. The moment you click on this button to go back so that you can get the code, this page will close and you will not have access to it again. Then you will be redoing this. You know, I did this several times and it became a problem. So I found out how to maneuver this or how to get around it. So I decided to make a video to help as many as possible, because I know some of you are going to be facing this same issue, except you have two phones, or maybe you have another device where you can go get the code and then you'll be able to enter it here. But the moment you leave this page, this code verification page will close. I don't know if you are getting what I'm saying. Let me demonstrate it now. If I click on this page to go back and get that code, can you see now? The moment I click back to go and get it, so I'll go back here. Then to get look at it now. The moment I open this, and this is the code here. Let me copy the code. I've copied the code now, but the problem is that even if I minimize now, you can see that verification code, the page has closed. Or even though I decide to go back this way, I'll be leaving my inbox, so that very page has closed. Then how do you go around this? What I did was this. Then I had to open go back to that message you received earlier, that first email you received, that onboarded email you received. So go ahead and I don't think let me see, let me check. Okay, this is the email here. I'm going to open it now. So the moment I open it, I'm going to click the login button like usual, and I'm going to enter my email address. So I'm going to enter my email address now, and then click on forgotten password. Not the process we followed earlier. Click on forgotten password, and now we are back to that what's it called again? The password reset page. Okay, now I'm going to enter my email address again, and then click on recover my account. An email have been sent to my email inbox. Then instead of going back again, what I will have to do is to click on this particular button here. Not a button. Do I call it a button or what? It's not a button. Just a drop down arrow. It's a drop down arrow. Look at what I'm saying. Sorry, let me, Let me show you. This is it here. It's a drop down arrow. Not this one, no. Not this one. Not this one. No, not this one. Don't go here. Click on this drop down arrow. This one here. This particular one. This one here. This one. Okay? It's a drop down arrow. So once you click on it, it will minimize the reset code page. Okay, then you'll be able to go back, click on that back arrow now to go back, then go check. You're going to see that email that they sent. Okay, it has entered, so I'm going to open it now. Then I'll be able to copy the code. Okay, this is 643. Okay, that's the last code they sent. So I'm going to click and hold, copy the code, then come back here and click on that one that I minimize. Look at that one we minimized though. See that one that we minimized? Wait, let me show you. That one we minimized. Look at it here. That page is still here. Okay, so what we have to do now is to click on it to bring it up again. Tap on it, it will come back up again, and then we're going to paste our code. You know how to paste. Click and hold, then paste. All right, now click on recover my account. Verification code is confirmed. Can you see the way I did it now? Then the next thing now is to enter your new password. I'm going to pause this and enter my password. So yeah. All right guys, I've entered my password now, so I'm going to click on set new password, and it's boom, it's done. So I can now easily access my learning page. I'm going to access the learning room now. So I'm going to enter my email and then enter my password. I'm going to enter my password now. Okay, I've entered my email and my password. I'm going to click on login. Login successful. Let's see. Can you see? Now I've been able to log in successful. So I now have access to these courses that I paid for. Can you see how I was able to do this? Then I can now click on start course. Just click on this to open the course, and then I will start learning. All right, so this is it guys. You can watch this video over and over again so that you'll be able to understand it on how to go about it. But then if you have two devices where you can easily access your email and get the code, that's not a problem. But I'm talking about for those of you who are just one phone and you are finding it difficult to get access to this code and enter it. Thank you very much guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.